Hi, this is Sam Berg with Technical Glass Products here at the newly constructed Margaret Meade Elementary School in Sammamish, Washington. I found this to be a noteworthy project to feature as it demonstrates something that's becoming more and more commonplace in present-day construction: exterior fire-rated glazing. Exterior fire ratings often occur due to close property lines and/or building return conditions in which fire-rated glazing is required to prevent fire from spreading from building to building via the exterior. In this instance, the rated wall received a 60-minute fire-resistive designation, and TGP glazing was installed on floors 1 through 3. The TGP Curtainwall Series frames and Pyrostop IGU glass was ideal for this application, not only for its fire performance, but also because it meets air and water tests and project-specific design loads such as wind and seismic. Furthermore, the Pyrostop glass has true optical clarity to match nearby non-rated glazing and performs well for exterior applications as it can withstand extreme temperature ranges without compromising its integrity. One other fun fact about this project that is near and dear to me is the fact that my son actually attends this school. So it gives me personal peace of mind knowing high-performing fire-rated glass has been utilized on this project to protect property, staff, and students for years to come. I'm Sam Berg with Technical Glass Products. Thanks for watching.